Now the fact that I'm alone is fucking comforting, and I can't seem to shake this fucking feeling in my...
Hello guys, today I will show you how to download YouTubers Live for free. This is just for educational purposes only, so yeah. The first thing you have to do is go to the download description. After that, download it. Go over here, drag it to the desktop, and after that, just create a folder. When you create the folder, just drag the thing in, get inside, and extract it. After it's done extracting it, we'll create a folder. Just get inside the folder. Go to the launcher. Just